How to log in to your Grammarly account. Hey everyone, welcome back to a new video on this channel. If you have an account of Grammarly and if you're trying to log into it, then make sure you keep watching this video until the end. Now either you can log into your Grammarly account using the app. For this video, we're going to use the website. Search for grammarly.com on the search bar of your web browser. Once you search for it, it's going to take you to the website. Now you'll be able to see this login option on the top right. If you click on it, it's going to take you to the sign in section. Now either you can sign in using your email, Google account, Facebook account, or your Apple ID. Choose the option that you used while signing up for Grammarly. If you click on any of these options and choose your account, you will be immediately logged in. But for the people who use their email address, you'll need to type it in first and then click on continue. Next, it's going to ask you to type in the password. If you don't remember the password, you can click on Can't Sign In option, which is below the sign in button, and follow simple steps to recover and reset your password. Once you type in both of these information, click on sign in. And there you go, as easy as that, you have been now successfully logged in to your Grammarly account. From here, you can also add Grammarly to your Google Chrome or any web browser that you use as an extension. So that was the process of logging in to your Grammarly account. If this video was helpful to you, be sure to subscribe, share, and also give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much it for today. Thanks for watching.